What's up, my wealthy babies? I am back with another video. It is all about this hair right here, honey, okay? Y'all see this? Okay? And do y'all see that lace? Y'all don't? Because what lace? But today's video is all about how to make your lace with a 613 wig look like scalp. Okay, I know y'all see that. Do I need to make y'all look closer? Like, I have a scratch right here because I cut myself. But ain't no lace, honey. There's no lace at all. But if y'all trying to look like this, have your wigs looking like scalp, definitely when you have a 613 wig on, keep watching because we finna get into this, honey. Okay, so I got this wig right here from Amazon, and this wig is under $100, and it is a 613 wig with a transparent lace, obviously, as you guys see. And then it says that it's 180 density, but I think that it might be 150. But if it is 180, then I just laid this wig down real good. And also, this wig is 24 inches. So it got some length on it, if you guys can see it. It got a little length on it. Now let's get into how to make your 613 wigs look like scalp. For a long time, I've been making a mistake. I can say that I've been making a mistake of bleaching my 613 wigs lace. I don't know, I always felt like that's what I was supposed to do. If I could bleach the black wig lace, then I could do it with my blonde, because since it was already blonde, it could just, you know, minimize the knots in the lace, right? But I was totally wrong. You know, I've been doing it all wrong this whole time. When you are bleaching the knots of the 613, you actually damaging the hair more because the hair is already bleached. So, which caused more shedding of the hair, and it's just a whole disaster. One day I was on TikTok and I found this little concoction, and it's a way to tone your lace instead of bleaching your lace when you have a 613 hair. So let's get into the review of this hair real quick. This hair didn't come with much. It was just with a bag, and it came with a wig cap. That's it. That's all. But I can say that this hair is pretty soft. It came yellow. If you see in the video right here, the wig is kind of like Barbie doll hair to me. So I don't like when my 613 hairs is Barbie doll. But inside it comes with a elastic band to secure the wig. Also, it comes with 4 clips. But y'all know me, like, I take those stuff out. I only leave the back clip out, and I take out the other 3 clips that's in the wig, because you know, when you have a wig, you want it to be as flat as possible. Sometimes those clips could be in the way. Here you see that this is how the lace originally looked. The lace, you can see the knots in the lace, and it's just all like little white dots all around. Now, for some, y'all might think like, okay, I can work with that. I just put a little, you know, lace spray on it and go about my day. But if you want your wigs to look like scalp, you don't just do that, okay? You need to tone that lace. So this is how the lace was looking. It's just, you can literally see the knots in the lace. And we don't want that no more. We want this stuff to look like scalp. So the products that I use to get my lace looking like scalp, I use the Shimmer Light Purple Shampoo. Also, after that, I will get a brown dye. Now, it doesn't matter if you get your dye from Adore or whatever little small bottle of semi-permanent dye. As long as it's brown, that's what you need. You need a brown dye. And then next, of course, I have my conditioner. I use my Tresemme Moisture Conditioner. So, I went ahead and I used my Tresemme conditioner. I don't measure the amount that I use. I was just going for it. Like, to me, the more I got, the better. So I was just using as much as I could. Then I went in with the Shimmer Light Purple Shampoo. I didn't measure it. I just used the amount, however much I want to use, I just used it. So I poured that in there. And then last, I used the Adore. This color dye is cinnamon. So I pour some of that up in there. And after that, I just stir everything up. And then eventually, it's gonna be this brown paste. Make sure you mix everything together properly. So now it's time to put this on the lace. Just like how you will put that bleach on the lace, we doing the same thing. You have to be careful when you putting this on your lace because it can bleed through, and then when it bleeds through, now you got some brown spots on your platinum wig, 613 wig. You don't want that. But I was just taking my time, and I was very, very careful with this. I was very light-handed, making sure that I did my best and not have this concoction bleed through the lace. And I just spread it all everywhere. The same thing you'll do when you bleaching your lace, just put it all over. And that's what I basically did. And then I think I let this sit for like 15 minutes. You should let this sit no more than 10 to 15 minutes because, like I said, you don't want the root of your wig to turn brown. You don't want that. It's gonna look a hot mess. And then yeah, that's about it. So I'm showing you guys how the lace look now. Now y'all remember that you could see the knots, but now since I had toned the lace, you cannot see no knots. It looked like everything just disappeared, gone. The trick that I learned to this is the little knots turn brown. And when you're a black girl, a caramel girl, or even a dark-skinned chocolate girl, this helps with our skin tone because it really match our skin. So it's gonna look like scalp, and it's gonna look really, really good, and you're gonna eat every time. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope that it was helpful because when I found this information out, I told myself I had to go tell my babies what was up and how to slay y'all 613 wigs. You feel me? So leave y'all comments down below and let me know if this was helpful. Put down white hearts down below if y'all really like this video. And yeah, y'all already know the memo. If you're not subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You're missing out on some good ass content, girl. And to stay connected with me, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and definitely stay tuned for next week's video because even though I love this 613 wig, y'all know me and I'm coming with something hot. I'm just not gonna leave this wig just like this. Y'all know I'm not. Y'all know I'm gonna do something to this wig because that's just what I do. So thank you, my babies. Thank you for watching, and see y'all next week. Bye, y'all.